show you what is the difference between amateur dancer and professional. We have a good conversation. This style is, for me, amateur style. Looks good, beautiful line, perfect. But if you are a professional, you have more experience to create energy, to create dance, like Fred Astaire and Ginger Rogers, and just relax your elbow, relax your wrist, and now we are know each other, we feel each other, and we can dance like right now. So easy. Now I will show you different energy.
The old way?
Or yeah, beautiful line. This is amateur. And yeah, more. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. I'm 47 and I can't dance like that because I feel like a young man. Means maybe 15 years old. Different energy, just and all style, all art, we recognize this style. Relax elbow, be free, and you can move if you are free, just like that. And you can create more energy because you are free. Boom, aha, zakataka, boom, easy to understand.